real estate or in anything else, you don't need money or credit. What you need is the right person.
Andrew Holmes is that right person. He's bought hundreds of houses and built a real estate empire in less than 10 years, starting with only a $25,000 line of credit.
Mind-boggling.
It's very inspiring.
Mind-blowing.
It's amazing.
Even more amazing, dozens of others have created their own fortunes by following Andrew's step-by-step process.
Become a lot wealthier.
And I can actually retire right now.
Now it's your turn. You can get the map to prosperity at the upcoming 3-day conference, where Andrew teaches how to quickly buy and pay off income properties.
What I like is that there's no BS kind of approach to this. So he'll pretty much tell you like it is, that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
The goal is owning a Ferrari. You can do that. I mean, it'll take you 5 years, but you can literally go from zero to that one goal.
On the first day, Andrew and his partner, Rahul Visal, teach you how to find and analyze real estate, especially those hidden deals like probate, pre-foreclosures, and shadow inventory.
He just gives a ton of information.
You can just learn so much.
The speakers are really great.
It's a great atmosphere, great energy.
Every time I come here, I get the power, I get the energy to move forward.
On day 2, you join the bus tour for an insider's look at houses before, during, and after rehab. Andrew and his students explain the formulas they're using now to flip for a quick profit or buy and hold for long-term rental income.
The value is that people actually get to see this stuff live and actual people doing these deals, and they get to talk to them.
It answered every question that I had in my mind.
You don't have the money. You come to these things, you find out you don't need the money. There are other people here who have the money.
On the 3rd day, you begin to build your own real estate team as you meet face-to-face with wholesalers, realtors, attorneys, bankers, rehabbers, property managers, and partners with money and credit ready to invest in your deals.
I knew that I had found the people that were going to help me get started and that this system would really work.
Andrew explains how anyone can become a real estate investor. It doesn't matter what you do for a living. Even a video producer like myself can own 7 rental properties.
Okay, this person can do it. We can do it.
Right?
We really all work as a solid team to make sure that the investor is successful.
I know that this is going to change my future.
In those 3 days, you get a crash course on the system Andrew created in 2008 that produced a multi-million-dollar portfolio of cash-flowing properties that are paid off, 160 houses and counting.
That is an incredible opportunity. There's never been in history a time when you could buy a property, rehab a property, rent the property out, and get it paid off in 7 years.
Since Andrew started teaching his strategies 3 years ago, his followers have generated more than 2,000 real estate transactions, and the list keeps growing.
I was in debt, but now with my assets, I'm out of debt, and I actually have assets now. I'm in the positive.
Out of 25 properties, I bought 10 properties last year, and I bought 5 properties this year.
They're incredible. I mean, they help you every step of the way.
Together, they have created the largest real estate investors association in Chicago, with results unmatched by any group.
They make me feel comfortable and like I can trust them. If you are willing to work hard, then we are willing to work with you and give you the right things to grow from where you are today to the next step.
If you're motivated and ready for success, register for the upcoming 3-day conference at andrewholmesevents.com.
This is the time, those are the people. So what are you waiting for?
Don't wait. Sign up now for the 3-day live conference at andrewholmesevents.com.